the fact that we have our destiny in our hands.
Yes, Coach Nash, he's been here before. He's been in this situation. He's a champion coach. He understands what it takes to make it to the Final Four.
Emphasize the need for patience, both on offense and defense, and to not get frustrated. Composure goes a long way in ensuring that their plays can be executed with consistency and precision.
Points. Montebon hounded by Limit. Shaklag down to 3. Shaklag down to 2. And then Montebon hits a 3. Hierro to Manzano. Manzano, that pass was intended for a Jaricle. Padrigao has it. And then Mo Tongkara slams it home for 2. And any PS Bank branch.
When your big man runs the floor, reward him. Mo Tongkara with that dunk off the Fortsky. Now he gets a steal.
Padrigao on the move all the way for 2. Shaklag reads 10. Cabanero against Hierro. Nick Cabanero, hesitation move, and a layup is good.
And on cue, Nick Cabanero with another layup, really starting the second off.
Shaklag reads 10 for UST. What a pass. Padrigao to Asido. And then Cabanero on the right side. Cabanero, tough shot.
Well, we can't keep Nick Cabanero down for too long.
Back to Limit. They swing it to Asido. Cross court. Paranada. Paranada. Step back 3. It's good.
My goodness. UST waxing hot in the second half.
And 40 multivitamins to boost your energy. Amiel. Asido all the way for 2.
Wow. UST really running the ball right now. Defense into offense for them has been a big plus in the second half.
Asido for 3. Got it!
I don't know what else to say, Tito Mico.